Hey, I'm Darryl from the Teng Tools UK eBay store, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the TCMM1001 MegaMaster toolkit. As the name suggests, the 1001 piece MegaMaster toolkit is a comprehensive kit containing just about every tool an engineer or tradesman could ever need. One of the most important factors to consider when purchasing a toolkit is to ensure that it's been designed and manufactured to an ISO standard. Now that's exactly what the MegaMaster has, and it also has a lifetime guarantee. This is an exceptional toolkit containing over 1001 pieces, which is unbelievable value for money. So let's take a look at it now in further detail. The MegaMaster is built up using a TC806N top box, a TC803N middle box, and a TCW810N roller cabinet. The TC806N is a 6-drawer top box. It contains 3 standard drawers, and it also contains 3 trays across the top. It also comes with a removable tray and a combination lock as well, and as you can see when you slide it down, everything is locked completely in place. Finally, on the side you'll notice that we have rubber dipped handles. Moving down to the TC803N middle box, you notice that we've got the same setup. We've got 3 standard drawers, a combination lock, and once again rubber dipped handles. Finally, we've got the TCW810N. This is a 10-drawer roller cabinet. Each drawer has a protective mat in it. It also has a combination lock, comes in an ABS top and a heavy duty handle for transporting the toolkit. You'll also notice that a locking mechanism has been installed in the wheels of the roller cabinet. This ensures that the toolkit's not going to roll around in the workplace. Each drawer is filled with tools covering virtually every application, and every tool in the 16 full-size drawers comes supplied in a Teng Tools TC tray, meaning that each tool has its own specific place. This is an extremely effective arrangement as it allows you to find the tools you're looking for immediately. It also means that if you do happen to misplace one of your tools, you know exactly which one it is. Also, the ball bearing slide system installed in each drawer means that every drawer comes all the way out, allowing you to get to the tools at the back without any hassle. So what do you get in the entire MegaMaster toolkit? Well, let's start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. Once you open up the first drawer, you'll notice that you get a 12-piece metric combination spanner set. You also get a 32-piece socket clip rail set. You get a 3-piece inspection tool set and an 8-piece open-ended spanner set. Moving down the drawer, you'll notice that you get a 7-piece T-handle hex driver set, an 81-piece nut rivet set, a 7-piece T-handle TX/TPX driver set, and an 81-piece hand rivet set. Moving on to the final drawer of the TC806N top box, you'll get a 9-piece general toolkit with a PS tray. Moving on to the first drawer of the TC803N middle box, you get a 9-piece punch and chisel set, a 20-piece half-inch drive impact driver set, a 4-piece scraper and remover set, and an add-on tool tray. Once you pull out the second drawer of the middle box, you're greeted by an 8-piece hook and pin wrench set, a 6-piece double flex wrench set, a 10-piece midget combination spanner set, and an 8-piece AF combination spanner set. The third and final drawer of the TC803N middle box reveals a 3-piece roll heel bar set and an 11-piece metric double ring spanner set. Moving on to the first drawer of the roller cabinet, when we open up the first drawer, you'll get a 23-piece 40 and 70mm TX bit socket set, a 23-piece metric hex bit socket set, a 32-piece socket clip rail set, a 5-piece power through screwdriver set, and a 16-piece half-inch drive regular and deep impact socket set. Moving on to the second drawer, you get 8-piece and 7-piece Mega Drive screwdriver sets, a 7-piece TX and TPX Mega Drive screwdriver set, a 74-piece ratcheting bits driver set, and a 16-piece mini plier and screwdriver set. Next up is the third drawer, and when you open up that up, you'll notice 5-inch, 7-inch and 9-inch 4-piece circuit plier sets, and also a 4-piece megabyte plier set. The next drawer reveals a half-inch drive torque wrench, a 4-piece 1000 volt insulated plier set, a 121-piece crimping tool set, a 7-piece 1000 volt screwdriver set, and an add-on tool tray with dividers. Drawer 5 of the roller cabinet reveals an add-on tool tray with dividers, a 2-in-1 puller set, a 16-piece oil service set, an 11-piece stud and nut remover set, and a 17-piece tap and die set. Sockets are an integral part of any toolkit, and the next drawer reveals a 13-piece extension set, a 5-piece half-inch drive socket accessory set, a 35-piece 1/4-inch drive regular and deep metric socket set, a 19-piece 3/8-inch drive metric socket set, and a 17-piece half-inch drive regular metric socket set. Drawer 7 contains a 7-piece metric combination spanner set, a 22-piece 3/8-inch drive torque wrench set, and a 3-piece pry bar set. Dropping down a drawer reveals a 9-piece nut driver set and a 4-piece power grip plier set. The second last drawer reveals more sockets and spanners, and what you'll get is a 7-piece AF combination spanner set, a 15-piece half-inch drive long bit socket set, a 15-piece half-inch drive AF regular socket set, a 32-piece half-inch and 3/8-inch drive regular and deep AF socket set, and then finally a 30-piece 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive TX, TPX and TXE socket set. When you open up the final drawer in the entire toolkit, you're greeted by a 4-piece 3/4-inch drive socket accessory set and a 14-piece 3/4-inch drive metric socket set. As you can see from that video, the TCMM1001N really is a one-of-a-kind toolkit. It's available now in our eBay store. It's usually nearly £6,000, but we have it on special offer right now for £2,990, so why not check it out? Also remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and our blog. I'm Darryl from the Teng Tools UK eBay store, and I'll be back shortly with another video.